just start. Okay. You go there, you go there. Can you write your name there? Not yet. That's okay, we're done with our demonstration. And ready or immediately look for the baby pool. You want to go for the baby pool? Go. Pool. No, don't run. Okay, just walk slowly. Now this is what the forest ground. Oh, so nice indeed. What's that? It's a cartwheel. Asa ta dapat man? Sa silaman. Let's go. Wow. Daming food. Woo! What's that? No, be careful. Be careful. Maybe snow. Okay, let's continue. Go. Slowly. Oh. Okay, go. Yeah, they have that. Snack bar. Then pass to your left. Slowly. You walk slowly. So many aquariums. This one. And here at the first stop. Oops, no baby. There. What is that? Rock climbing. Okay, here. Go slowly. Slowly. We will be here at the main pavilion of the forest camp. Yeah, we will go first up, huh? We will place our things. Okay, you go up first. Go up. Here, go up here. Here. No, later, Sabrina, behave. We will go there. We will place first our things here. Sabrina. Okay, my baby, he will be crossing the bridge. Look, baby, you are going to take a bath there later, huh? Look. Okay. So, let me see. You're not afraid? Huh? Sabrina, you're not afraid? Go. Yes. Go. Let's go, Sabrina. Let's go. Okay. Let's go, Sabrina. Look. Ha? Lola is afraid, baby. Lola is afraid to cross. Ginhawa lang, ma'am. Inhale-exhale lang, ma'am. Ginhawa. Ginhawa lang, ha? Para dili mapan. Ginhawa na, ma'am. Lingon rin sa kayo. Ginawara. Kaya mo apo. Kanulang kayo apo. Let's go, let's cross to the other side. Oh. Ginawara, ma'am, ginawa. Kadlok. Imong apo, kabalugan mo. Diyan niya ikaw pa. come back. Maybe. Let's come back now. We'll change so that we can take a bath. Daddy will be walking backward. Look, Daddy. Daddy is walking backward. Look, Daddy is walking backward. Okay. Look, Daddy is walking backward. Coming now. Baby. Nah, we will not take a bath. Ready. She is ready. Let's go. Oh, do not run. Do not run. It's so cold there. You want to be cooked? Huh? It's so cold. See? Up, up, up. Go down properly. Okay, go on the other side. You go to the other side. Both cold. Careful. Wait, I'm going to have this one. No. I'll blow air on this. Careful. Why don't you call Sakia? Sakia, come here. Oh baby, no, that's dangerous. You go to the other side. Go to the other side. Go. Why? Huh? There's a fish? No. Lay down. Yeah. Swim, go in there. Yes. Woo. What's that? It's a dried leaf. It's a dried leaf or it's a stone? What? Why? Oh, be careful if you sleep. What? Okay. Follow to the sa. What meaning would you like to be? Like adobo? Ah, you would like to be cooked? Let me see. Yeah, you're being cooked into adobo. But you're litson. You are litson, baby. So Sakia will like for sure she likes to be here. Rina is now in the bigger one, and you put your head like that. No. You face that. What? That one. You want to cross another bridge? Go. So this is the second bridge. A hanging bridge at that. So where are you going? You want to watch? You want to see the river? here. Let's come back. Here. Not there. So many pools. This time with fountain. Yeah. Okay. So you want to stay here? Where you want to go? Here's another pool. So from diving pool, all natural. Yeah. So this seems to be deep. Oh, we cannot pass it there. See? We cannot pass it there. Let's go back. Let's go back. Yeah, let's go. Go up, you go up. Go up. So high. Go. Yeah. Yeah. There's a rain. You want to go to the rain? Okay. Careful. Be careful. Whoops. What is that? That's a fountain. Yes. What are you doing, baby? You are? What are you doing? You are? What? Sabina, what are you doing? Yeah. Okay. Okay, siya. What? What? Yeah, later. After. Here is another bigger pool. What? Place to stand by. And there is another sort of a pavilion here. Okay, you can go there. Yeah, this is for children. For children, smaller children. Let's go. No, do not slide, baby. Do not slide. That's deep. Don't slide, baby. That's deep. Set a slide. Still being developed. See? There. You want to swim there? Go. If you want to.